All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We've added a first alert weather day for tomorrow. We're going to have building heat as we've been forecasting. As we go into the afternoon hours, though, the development of some thunderstorms that could be strong is possible. It's not guaranteed. And if they do form in all this heat and humidity, they could very quickly become severe, and all modes of severe weather will be possible. Our peak heating day will be on Wednesday. Your hump day carries us over the hump, where temperatures could challenge triple-digit heat, even right here in the FM area. For tonight, let's get right to your forecast. Sticky and humid hot air continues even through 10 o'clock. I've paused this at 10:30, just now sneaking out of the 80s here in Fargo. Quiet with winds, clear skies, and as far as thunderstorms go, the Twin Cities and Point South have a chance, but will be quiet. Now, tomorrow, we start the day off near 70 degrees, and there could be some clouds and remnant thunder showers from Montana. Those will be out west, though, in the central Dakotas. The heat builds. By midday, wind from the south will continue to transport ample humidity or moisture in the air to our area. Temperatures will challenge the low 90s here in the valley, even by the early afternoon. Now, we'll see the development of a few thunderstorms. I'll say we could see. When we get hot here at the surface, you see up above us, it can get hot as well. And think of a hot air balloon. If the air above it isn't cool or around it isn't cool, it isn't going to want to rise. But if we heat up just warm enough, those bubbles of air or parcels of air that start rising could rise quite violently, supporting large hail, gusty straight line winds, and even some tornadoes, because there will be shear and spin in the atmosphere as these storms make their way through. Greatest chance between 2 o'clock and 9 o'clock at night. Notice the storm's not exiting southeast North Dakota until later, but they do exit, leaving us with quieter conditions. So if they form, have your Valley News Live weather app handy, because there's the ingredients necessary for severe storms, particularly in the area shaded in yellow. This will be updated, so check back with the app first thing in the morning. We'll keep you updated with any change to the potential area of concern. Thunderstorms tonight near the Twin Cities. Very quiet here. Nationally, we're fairly quiet with the exception of the Ohio River Valley and some spotty storms in the Rocky Mountain West. Look at the heat building. El Paso, 103. Look at Billings, Montana. It's hot there, 89 Fargo, and we certainly have the heat in the upper 90s out west. Right now at Hector, it's 89 degrees, wind very light. That dew point approaching 70 sticky degrees. Did you notice it was hard to dry off after the shower today? A lot of moisture in the air. Temperatures start at 70. We peak in the low 90s. Thunderstorm chances greatest as we go through the dinner hour and into the early overnight hours here in Fargo, then quieting. Chance at more 90-degree weather will add to our tally, now sitting at about 17 days. So we look at that. Your first alert weather details will be available right on your device with the Valley News Live weather app. Make sure you download that today. Triple-digit heat likely in Fargo on Wednesday. That's our forecast. The record sits at 103, so we will flirt with that in some areas. After Wednesday, things, well, cool off. We'll still be in the 90s, however, and we close out the work week heading into the weekend with above-average temperatures continuing. Sunday, thunder chances cannot be ruled out. We'll keep you posted as to that. The rest of your 11-day planner looks like this. We'll see temperatures above average or at average through the first full week of August.
Not as hot, though.
Right.
Yeah, and not for as long, seems like. Yeah, thanks, Hutch.
Still ahead, it's opening night for a local Fargo theater group. We'll tell you about their new show coming up.